Hey, I'm Colin, and today we're going to talk about how to install perma paver edging for a vehicular traffic application. Now, normally in a pedestrian application, Permaedge is just troweled on the outside edge of your paving stones. But when it comes to a vehicular application, it actually starts at the gravel base. Once your gravel base is completed, before you bring in your bedding material, we're gonna lay down 2 feet of some bi-axial geogrid. The reason why we have 2 feet is we want 18 inches underneath the field and edge of our paving stones and 6 inches beyond the outside of our edge of our paving stones so that our Permaedge can be troweled on top of that. The reason why we want that bi-axial geogrid for a vehicular application is it provides a lot of tensile strength and more interlock, so when you drive a vehicle along the edge of your paving stone project, it actually pulls the edge restraint towards it and makes it stronger. So now that our entire field has been laid and cut in, we're ready to move to the next step of installing our perma paver edging. What we have to do is remove our excess bedding material. And it's one of the most common issues we see with a paving stone system of any kind and any edge restraint is that people fail to remove this excess bedding material and they put their edge restraint right on top. When that happens, they have movability and issues with washout. So we're gonna make sure that we take a trowel or a flat shovel, we're gonna scrape away our bedding material, whether it be quarter tan or concrete sand, to expose that gravel and that geogrid to apply our perma paver edging. Our excess bedding material has been successfully removed, so now we can mix our Permaedge. The nice part about perma paver edging is it comes in a bucket, so it is weather resistant. If you get your materials ordered ahead of time, you can keep your buckets outside in any weather and they will not go bad. Once you have your bucket, you can dump it into your wheelbarrow, and the nicest part about it is the mixture is pre-established. It's just 1 bucket of mix to 1 gallon of water. If you don't have a 1 gallon jug nearby, all you do is measure 3 inches from the bottom of the bucket, and that is 1 gallon of water to add to your mixture. Mix it up until you don't see any more dry parts, then you can move on to troweling in that Permaedge. With the bedding removed and our bucket of Permaedge mixed, we're ready to start troweling it in. Now the nice part about perma paver edging is it's designed to be low and narrow profile, making it easier to cover up and hide and grow grass back into if you want to do that. Depending on the thickness of your paving stone, you always want to go 1/3 of that size of paver. So for our 80mm paving stones, we're going about 1 inch. For the standard 60mm paving stones, you're going up about 5/8 of an inch. Now that's your thickness. Now we need to talk about the width. The width we're looking for is about 4 inches wide. We're using a 4-inch trowel as our reference so we get the nice perfect width. If you go too long or too high with this Permaedge, it will not perform the same, so make sure you stick to about 4 inches wide, about 1/3 up from the bottom of that paving stone to have the best performance possible. So perma paver edging is designed to be compacted as soon as it's troweled, so you can do that right away, which is the next step of our process. We always like to compact using a vibratory roller because it reduces the damage to our stones but gives us the best compaction possible. If for some reason you experience any separating of that Permaedge or cracking while it's still wet, all you have to do is take a trowel and touch it up after that compaction and you should be fine. So now you know how to utilize the benefits of paver perma edging for even a vehicular application type project and whatever project you have coming up. Make sure you also check out our library of videos and blogs for any hardscape project you have coming up, as we surely will have something that will benefit you.